What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to send money from Remitly to bank account. First thing you should do is to open your Remitly application on your phone. And if you do not have it, you can simply go to your Google store and download the application. And after downloading the application, you will have to create an email on it. You'll have to sign up and make sure that you enter your details properly. And after signing up, you should do sign in and enter your account. And after entering your account, you will see here this page right here, which is the home page. Just tap on send right here. And after that, they will ask you about how many money that you are going to send. So I'm gonna click on 60, for example. Then here, as you can see, it will show you how much will the recipient receive in his own currency. And you can also change the currency that you want. So I'm gonna here select this currency. Then after that, you'll have to click on continue. Now here you will get two options, pay by card or pay by bank. I'm gonna click on pay by card, for example. Then you will have to choose the delivery method. You have bank deposit, cash pickup, or debit card deposit. I'm gonna click on bank deposit because the recipient that I'm going to give the money has a bank account. So click on bank deposit, and here you'll find many bank accounts. You can choose whatever you want, and you can also click on choose another bank if you want to get more options. And now here, as you can see, let's say that my recipient has a bank account in the CIB. So I'm going to click on it. Then here you should type the recipient bank details, his account number, his name, and other details about him. Then you will be able to confirm the transaction, and you will also have to enter your details and the details of the payment method that you choose. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.